With the Razr Ultra 2025, Motorola set out to not only create the best flip phone ever, but arguably one of the best phones of 2025. The Snapdragon 8 Elite and 16 GB of RAM provide stellar performance, and improvements to the camera, battery, and charging really take it to the another level. Moto AI could use a little tweaking, but it offers a fairly comprehensive suite of features in addition to Google AI or Gemini capabilities. That said, with all this power comes a high price tag, which may understandably turn some consumers away. To say that the Razr Ultra 2025 took me by surprise is a bit of an understatement. The phone is currently the most powerful flip phone on the market, boasting specs that rival even more traditional premium flagships such as the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and with a price that matches Samsung's top tier of the line model for 2025, Motorola seems to have a lot of confidence in the Razr Ultra 2025 following the line's success in recent years. But is Motorola too confident in the Razr Ultra? Does the company have what it takes to charge Samsung level prices for a phone? I have spent a month with the Razr Ultra 2025 and I'm happy to say that Motorola has given us a flip phone that feels so close to perfect, if not for a few quirks. The Motorola Razr Ultra 2025 was announced on April 24 and pre-orders began on May 7, with open sale starting on May 15 in the United States. Two configurations are available: 16 GB plus 512 GB, which cost is $1,299 US, and 16 GB plus 1 TB, which cost around $499 US. The phone comes in 4 different color options, courtesy of Pantone, Scarab, Rio Red, Everett, and Mountain Trail. Availability will depend on the retailer and carrier. Lo and behold, the Razr Ultra 2025 takes great photos from the primary sensor. Even at 2x zoom, the colors feel much punchier than I'm used to seeing from Motorola, which is likely a product of the Pantone collaboration. Dynamic range also feels improved during the day, with better handling of low light and nighttime images. The result is images that feel more Samsung in terms of color and saturation, while the added depth and definition remind me a bit of a Pixel. I wouldn't say image quality is anywhere near the impressive quality of the cameras on Oppo, OnePlus or Vivo phones, but so far I feel pretty confident that the Razr Ultra 2025 can compete fairly comfortably among the best Android cameras. Here you can see some camera samples of Motorola Razr 2025 Ultra. The Motorola Razr Ultra 2025 actually delivers. It's easily the most stylish phone out there, no matter your color or material wise. It's also finally caught up to the big players with zippy performance, stellar battery life, and cameras that are no longer just an afterthought. That astonishing cover display seals the deal, making this phone more than the sum of its undeniably snazzy parts.